Manhattan uncontested divorce lawyer going through a divorce can be a stressful and emotional process, but there are ways to minimize the challenges. If you and your spouse can agree on major issues, an uncontested divorce may be the best option. In New York, uncontested divorces provide a way for couples to terminate their marriage amicably, without the need for a lengthy and costly legal battle. At the law office of Richard Roman Shum, PLLC, we specialize in helping couples navigate the uncontested divorce process, ensuring a smoother and more efficient resolution to their separation. Legal aspects of uncontested divorce in New York. When considering an uncontested divorce, it's important to understand the legal framework that governs the process in New York. One key factor is that uncontested divorces can only happen when both spouses agree on critical issues such as child custody, child support, spousal support, and the division of property. Without such agreements, the divorce would move into a contested stage, requiring court intervention. New York law allows couples to file for uncontested divorce based on no-fault grounds, which means neither party needs to prove wrongdoing by the other. Instead, the couple cites an irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for at least 6 months. This simplifies the legal requirements and avoids assigning blame, which helps keep the process more amicable. In terms of residency, at least one spouse must have lived in New York for a minimum of 2 years before filing, or the couple must have married in New York with one spouse residing in the state for at least a year. An uncontested divorce typically requires several legal documents, such as a summons and complaint and a settlement agreement, which outlines all the terms of the divorce. These documents must be properly prepared and filed with the court to ensure the divorce proceeds without delays. How long does an uncontested divorce take in New York? For couples seeking a quick and amicable divorce, one of the major benefits of an uncontested divorce is that it tends to be much faster than a contested one. In New York, the timeline for an uncontested divorce can vary, but it usually takes about 3 to 6 months from the filing of the paperwork to the final judgment. This time frame largely depends on how quickly the couple can come to agreements and whether there are any issues with the filing documents. In cases where there are no children or significant property involved, the process may move even faster. The lawyer will assist in drafting the necessary paperwork, submitting it to the court, and ensuring that all legal procedures are followed correctly. Having an experienced attorney manage the paperwork can prevent errors that could delay the process. Once the judge signs off on the divorce, the couple will receive their findings and judgment, officially ending the marriage. What is the process for an uncontested divorce? The process for an uncontested divorce in Manhattan is straightforward, especially when both parties are in agreement on all major issues. Here are the key steps involved. Preparation and filing of divorce petition. The first step is to prepare the divorce petition, which includes a summons and verified complaint. This document details the grounds for the divorce and includes basic information about the marriage. The petition is filed in the appropriate New York court. Serving the divorce papers. After filing, the next step is to serve the divorce papers to the other spouse. This must be done according to New York law, with the papers delivered by someone over 18 who is not involved in the case. The receiving spouse must formally acknowledge receipt of the papers. Finalizing the divorce agreement, the spouses will work together, often with their attorneys, to draft a settlement agreement. This agreement outlines all terms related to the divorce, including division of assets, spousal support, and child custody, if applicable. Once both parties sign the agreement, it is submitted to the court for approval. Judgment and finalization. Once the court reviews and approves the settlement agreement, the divorce is finalized. A judge will issue a findings and judgment document, legally ending the marriage. Throughout this process, working with a skilled lawyer can ensure that all steps are completed efficiently and correctly, minimizing the risk of delays or complications. If you are considering an uncontested divorce in New York, it's crucial to understand the legal requirements and steps involved. At the law office of Richard Roman Shum, PLLC, our team of experienced attorneys is here to help you navigate the process and protect your rights throughout. An uncontested divorce offers a faster, less expensive, and more amicable option for couples who can agree on key issues. If you believe that an uncontested divorce is the right choice for you and your family, contact the law office of Richard Roman Shum today at 646-259-3416 to schedule a free consultation. Our office is located at 20 Clinton Street, Apt 5D, New York, New York, 10002. We are ready to guide you through every step of the divorce process.